Welcome to today's edition of the LoveSwap videocast. In this short video, I will be revealing a method that will enable you to purchase LoveSwap tokens using Coinbase.com, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Using this method, you can essentially buy LoveSwap tokens using your existing Coinbase.com crypto holdings and/or via credit card or bank transfer. Step 1. Purchase cryptocurrency via your Coinbase.com account if you have not done so already. Make sure you have purchased either Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, or USD coin. These are the coins that will work utilizing this method. Step 2. Log into your loveswap.com members area and click on the Buy Coins page. Select the dollar amount that you wish to use to purchase LoveSwap tokens with and click the Buy Now button. Click on the Buy with Crypto button on the preceding pop-up. Step 3. On the preceding screen, click the Pay with Coinbase button and proceed to make payment utilizing your Coinbase.com account balance. Select the currency you would like to pay with and proceed to pay with it. Using this super simple method, you can now purchase LoveSwap tokens utilizing your Coinbase.com account. This is perfect if you already have money on Coinbase or need an easy way to purchase LoveSwap tokens utilizing credit card or bank transfer as the payment method. That being said, this concludes this video tutorial. Good luck investing. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for future video updates.